Hello guys, it's another beautiful day to still talk about email marketing. And as you all know, for quite some time now, if you come over to my YouTube channel and check out my video list, you will notice that we have been talking about email marketing and how you can actually use or take advantage of emails for marketing either your product or your service, or maybe for lead generation or whatsoever at all. So in this video, I still want to dive deeper into email marketing and show you some other stuff you equally need to know about email marketing, because for quite some time I've been sharing email marketing tutorial video. I've already shared 3 different videos as regard email marketing, and this email marketing tutorial video that I've been sharing these past days actually boils down to email marketing tutorial for beginners, because I share tips and strategies on how to actually make money online, and I mostly do it for beginners and as well the pros. Whichever class or whichever range you fall under, you can equally learn from my YouTube channel. So guys, before I proceed deeper, before I share the last video, like I promised you guys, I said I'll be sharing 4 different videos as regard email marketing, because I can't put everything all together in just one video. So as you can see here, I've already shared one video, email marketing tutorial for beginners, then the other one how to build an email list, then the other one how to send bulk emails. Then in today's video, I want to talk about how you can actually create email swipes, because before you can start sending out emails, you need to have a unique email swipe that won't land in the spam folder or in the promotion folder of the person or the recipient you're actually targeting or you are actually sending out this email to. It's very much simple. As you all know, email marketing is basically trying to sell your product or service with the use of email, taking advantage of email. And as you all know, Gmail, that we all know, can't actually send out bulk email to different people at the same time, and that's why in this particular video I actually showed how to send out bulk emails to people, and I actually reviewed a particular software known, or a particular platform known as Gmass, that actually has a Google Chrome extension too that you can actually connect to your Google Chrome extension, and then it will automatically integrate with your Gmail, and from there you can start sending out bulk emails to as many recipients as possible. Although the free plan, which I actually use for the tutorial video, would give you permission to at least send out 50 emails per day. Then if you want to send out unlimited emails, you need to go out for the pricing plan. Okay, this is my promotional video. I'm not actually trying to promote Gmass. No, I'm actually sharing this tip so that you actually know that there is a way, or there is a method that is very simple. You don't need to start cracking any hard nut at all to start sending out bulk email. With Gmass, you can just easily connect Gmass and integrate it with your Gmail and start sending out bulk emails as fast as possible. So do not hesitate guys. In today's video, I want to show you the best method to actually send out this email, the best email swipe to actually use, and how to actually verify your email. Look, I'm actually putting together at least 3 different kinds of email marketing topic in this particular video, because this will actually happen to be the last video as regard email marketing on this channel. But as time goes on, I'll equally be bringing up more email marketing tutorial, but like I promised just 4 videos, and this is the 4th one, so I will show you how to actually do this thing. Okay, so if you want to become an email marketer, you want to start sending out email, I actually listed out, if you watch this particular video, this first one, in this particular video I actually listed out some things you need to put into consideration before you start thinking of becoming an email marketer, or before you start thinking of taking advantage of email or sending out bulk emails for either product marketing or for service marketing, because these are the major purposes of email marketing. Let's say you are a CPA marketer, you happen to be an affiliate marketer, or let's say you have a website that you want to draw leads or traffic to, or let's say you have a YouTube channel that you want to draw leads or traffic to, then you can actually take advantage of the email marketing strategy. And let's say you want to send out 1,000 email at the same time, because you cannot start typing out 1,000 separate emails and then sending out to 1,000 separate recipients. No, it will take you a lot of time, and somehow it will be practically impossible to do. So that's why you actually need to take advantage of the Gmass bulk email sender. Okay, it's very simple. You can visit Gmass. In this video you will learn everything about Gmass. I actually reviewed how you can actually even integrate Gmass with your Gmail. It's very simple. All you just have to do is to install the Chrome extension too. As you can see, I already have the Chrome extension to installed on my Google Chrome browser. Gmass powerful mail merge for Gmail. Okay, as you can see, it's clearly stated there. Okay, so without so much of your time guys, now I want to show you how to actually send out email practically, how to do this thing practically, and the best email swipe to use, the best software that you can actually use. You know me, I love doing my stuff the lazy way. I don't like wasting much of my time. I like doing it with simple way. So as you all know, AI is actually taking over, and if you want to start marketing, or you happen to be an online marketer, or you happen to be an online creator, at this point you haven't still learned how to start taking advantage of the power or the advantage of AI, I'm actually telling you that you are behind. So you need to take advantage of the power of AI. So in this video I will actually show you the best email swipe swipe to actually use, because another challenge about email marketing is, you sending out emails, or you sending out bulk email to several recipients, and then at the end of the day the email will all land in spam folder. As you all know, people don't easily open up their spam folder to check out the emails they have in there, and any email that actually lands in a spam folder is somehow considered as scam. Okay, nobody will want to click or check out any email that land on a spam folder. So in this particular tutorial video now, I will show you how to send out these bulk emails for them to actually land in the inbox of the recipient. So come with me, guys. I don't want to waste much of your time. I'll be as snappy or I'll be as fast as possible in this particular tutorial video. But before I proceed, let me quickly introduce myself. If you have been watching me before and you haven't yet subscribed, please kindly hit on the subscribe button, because you equally learn more outside this video, because I share Make Money Online tutorial video almost on a daily basis. Okay, so my name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is that I happen to be an internet marketer that teaches people how to make money online. I share tips and strategies that can actually help you grow a sustainable stream of income, or build a sustainable stream of income online without having to kill yourself, or without even having to break the bank for investment. Okay, so now I'm still talking about email marketing. So the software I actually want to show you today that can actually help you come up with the best email swipe, because as an email marketer you need to put into consideration that there is something known as email swipe. Okay, this email swipe is more like a catchy email copy that you can actually use to send, or that you can use, or that you can send out to this recipient that will definitely draw their attention, and I will show you how to actually do this. So the software I'm using to that, can see I've already integrated GMass. If you come over now to this section that says compose, if you hit on it, you see recipient, subject. Let's say I want to send out as many messages to like 20 recipients, and I'll equally show you how to get the best emails, to how to collect emails based on a particular niche. Like me, I'm in the Make Money Online niche. So if I want to send out emails, or if I want to send out marketing emails to people, I'll prefer sending it to people that are into the Make Money Online niche as well, because that is what I'm very good at, and that's what I happen to be a professional on. So I'll show you how to collect emails based on Make Money Online. I already covered it in a past video. That's this particular video, how to build an email list. I showed you how to collect emails. Like me, I love doing it the simple way, the free way. Okay, so I will show you again in this particular video so that you know how to do it, because I want to show you practically now how to do this thing. So if you come over now to Facebook, let me quickly show you how to get some people's email, and you start bombing them, or you start blasting them this bulk email ASAP. Okay, so if you put on Facebook, guys, just hold on, I'll show you what to actually do. Now let's say we want to send out email to, like, let's say even if it's 4 people for the sake of this tutorial, but you actually have permission, or you actually have advantage of sending out 50 emails per day with GMass, or with the GMass free plan. Okay, in this particular video right here, GMass free bulk email sender, I actually show the pricing plan of GMass, and the pricing plan actually comes with an unlimited email sending service. You can send unlimited emails per day with the power of GMass, and the most amazing thing is that you can do it directly from your Gmail. You don't need to go to the moon and back to actually send it. With GMass integrated into your Google Chrome browser, you can send bulk emails from your Gmail. So this is a new hack to email marketing that most people haven't actually discovered, but Daniel Anthony have discovered it, and I don't want to keep it all to myself. I equally want to share it with you guys, because I love you all. So guys, let's move on. As you can see now, this is Facebook. It's still loading up, give it some time. So over here now at Facebook, it's very simple. What you just have to do now is to come over to this search section here, and search for Make Money Online. Okay, now we are searching for Make Money Online pages, because page owners don't hesitate leaving their email on their profile. Okay, so I'll show you how to actually collect as many emails from pages that you can actually start bombing with your email swipe. Then now, as time goes on in this tutorial video, I actually show you the best email swipe that will not actually land in spam folder, that you can actually start using to send out to these people. Okay, Make Money Online. So as you can see now, these are all Make Money Online related results on Facebook. These are all groups and all of that, but what we're actually looking at for is page. So let's search for Make Money Online pages, then let's pick up some emails from some people's profile. They won't know that we are actually getting their emails, so that's what we call email scrapping email from the internet. And there are thousands of pages on Facebook. What am I talking about? There are millions, if not billions, of pages on Facebook that you can actually visit and collect their emails without their notification. Okay, so let's take a look at this profile right here. Okay, who knows if this one has an email? Okay, let's check out this guy right here. Okay, no, this one don't have his email in here. This one have his official website. So let's go back and check out for another person. So don't worry guys, just be patient. This is how you have to do this thing step by step if you don't have any intention of spending money. Okay, let's check out this guy and see if you have his email in here. Okay, take a look at this guy now. This guy have his email in here, ronimia228010@gmail.com. So let me just quickly copy this email right here. Then I go over to Gmail. where we want to send our message, then to recipient, then I attach it right here and I paste it in. Then I still go back to Facebook. I just want to search for at least 4 emails for this practical tutorial. Okay, so let's still go back and search for another email. Let's check out this guy right here if you have his email in there. Okay, this one equally have his email, fitostech@gmail.com. Okay, so this is actually the best way to get emails that are legit. I know some people actually tell you to pay thousands of dollars to actually get emails, let's say 1,000 emails for $100. No, you don't have to do that. There are free methods to do this thing. Okay, even Facebook can actually help you collect over 1,000 emails completely for free without you even paying a dime. Okay, so let's still go back, and then I paste this one right here again. So I'm just going to make reference with 4 different emails. So then I go back again, then I scroll down again and check another person. Okay, let me check this guy right here and see if you have his email in there. Okay, lastest00@gmail.com. You have his email in there. Then I copy this guy's email right here, copy it, then I go back to Gmail where we want to send our message. Then I paste his email address again. Then okay, now already we have we have collected 3 emails. Then we go back, so let's check out another email address again. Let's check out this one right here. Okay, this one have his email. Okay, let's copy this email again right here. So you can copy thousands of email on Facebook completely for free. Nobody's gonna charge you a dime for it. Okay, I'm revealing this secret because I love you guys. So for that, just hit on the subscribe button for me. Now I already have 4 emails. So what I actually do now, I need a unique subject. Okay, I need a unique subject to actually send out to this recipient. So what do I actually do? So based on research, I actually came across this website known as simplify.com. And do you know what one unique thing about simplify.com? Simplify.com can actually help you write a unique email swipe, or can actually help you write a unique email copy that you can actually use for marketing completely for free with AI technology. Like I told you guys, I love doing it the easy way, and now AI is taking over. That's artificial intelligence. It's taking over and it's making work easy for online marketers and internet influencers and entrepreneurs. Okay, as you can see here, making your workflow simple, faster and magical with AI. All your graphic design, video editing, AI writing, social media management, apps and more in one place. Wow. You can check out simplify.com. I'll be dropping the resource link in this video description below so that you can easily locate the website and take advantage of it. Okay, so another amazing thing about simplify.com is that they have a background remover, magic resizer, background. There are a lot of stuff you can actually do with simplify.com, but that's not what we actually here we want to write with simplify.com. We want simplify.com to actually help us create a unique email copy for us. Okay, I've actually used it to create some email copy. I will actually show you an example of this email copy. As you can see here, they have right. On that right, you can actually see hashtag generator for social media, then YouTube title video. Like if you happen to be a YouTuber, you can actually use simplify.com to come up with unique YouTube title video. Then they have photo caption, and they have content writer, Amazon product features, then review responder, then blog ideas plus title. Then if you happen to be a blogger, simplify.com can actually help you come up with a unique blog idea and title. Then they have sentence expander, then before and bridge. Then another social media, they have social media quote, memes generator, and so on and so forth. So the reason why we're actually here is for the writing purpose. So let me actually show you how to actually do this thing, how you can actually write with simplify.com, or how you can actually make simplify.com to generate content for you. Okay, you can create a professional video in minutes with simplify.com. You can write anything with simplify.com AI writer, like SEO driven copy, plagiarism free content, then generate in seconds. Okay, so if you still scroll down, you see that you have options of content writer, then long form writer, then company bio. So there are a lot of stuff you can literally do with simplify.com. I've been using simplify.com for quite some time now, and I still want us to take advantage of simplify.com when it comes to writing a unique email copy that we will send to recipients that have already collected their email, and this email will not land in their spam folder. So let's come over to my own personal simplify.com account. Let me show you what I'm actually talking about. I actually made the whole process simple because I don't want to waste much of our time. I've already created some sales demo code emails, because what we actually send out to these people is known as cold emails. Okay, cold email is more like a spammy email you are trying to send to somebody that don't even know you, but you need to make it look very convincing and persuasive for that person to actually want to take action on your email. Okay, so let's quickly open up this document that I've already saved already. So sales demo email, so that we'll see the type of email that this content writer actually wrote for us. So sales demo code email, US English. Then product name, I actually took advantage of affiliate marketing 12-minute affiliate system. The affiliate system will help you generate affiliate income while you sleep. As you can see, it actually gave me 3 different email swipes, but I can even go for more if I wish. If I want it to generate at least more than 2 for me, I can make it generate at least 6 email swipes for me, or so on and so forth, but 3 is enough. As you can see, hi, then you input the name. Then do you want to earn money while you sleep? Our affiliate system can help you do just that. Okay, with our affiliate system, you can generate income even while you are asleep. All you need to do is promote our product to your audience, and we'll take care of the rest. If you're interested in learning more about our affiliate system, please let me know, and I would be happy to talk to you further about it. Very simple and catchy email swipe. Someone who want to be interested, oh, is there a way that I can actually make money while I sleep? Oh, by simply selling products. And you know, these people that actually owns these Facebook pages might have audience. Okay, as you can see, some of them have thousands of audience, and they would like to promote it on their platform. You don't know who they are, if they are YouTubers or whatsoever, or if they're affiliate marketers and all of that. You can even search on affiliate marketing niche and check out pages under affiliate marketing niche, not just general make money online if you want. So let's still go back to this simplify.com. Then as you can see, this other email swipe that actually generated for us again, so it's going to give you several options to actually pick from. This one here says, do you want to make money while you sleep? Our affiliate system can help you do just that. The affiliate system is a great way to generate income passively. It's simple to set up, and once it's running, you can literally make money while you sleep. If you are interested in learning more about the affiliate system, I'll be happy to show you how it works. Do you have time for a quick call this week? Okay, so take a look at this email swipe. I didn't try them myself. I'm assuring you that I didn't write them myself. The AI content writer on simplify.com actually wrote all of this stuff for me. I didn't write them myself. Please believe me, I'm not much of a good writer when it comes to marketing products, especially with email swipes, but this AI intelligence have actually done it for me. Okay, then the third one actually says, the affiliate system is a great way to generate income while you sleep. By setting up the system, you can automatically generate income from your product and services. The affiliate system is easy to set up and can be used with any product or service. If you're interested in learning more about the affiliate system, I would be happy to show you how it works. Can we schedule a time to talk this week? Then blah blah blah. So you can actually copy any of this email swipe. Okay, let me assume I want to copy this one right here now. Then I just copy this. Very simple. Then I hit on copy. Then I go back to the email inbox. Then over the subject section here, okay, this is the subject, and this is the body. Then I paste it right here. Then what are we actually talking about now is the affiliate program for you. Okay, as you can see, automatically it have already come up with a name for us. So the affiliate program for you, then I can easily, you know, type it. GMAS is actually the one doing this affiliate program for you. So as you can see now, affiliate program for you is not specific. It can be for anybody or whoever that want to actually take advantage of this stuff. This is the topic. Then this is the body of the email. So under GMAS now, you can, you know, check out GMAS settings like personalize. You can actually personalize the email if you want. Then unscribe link, you can add an unscribe link if you wish. So you can actually do some settings if you wish. This is for the sake of a tutorial. I don't want to waste much time. So if you go over to GMAS setting now, as you can see, they have tracking option and all of that. Then action, you can send email. Then auto follow up, they clearly have auto follow up section. If you want to be following them up with other email swipe as time goes on, you can actually program it right here on the auto follow up section. Now that you've already gotten these emails, then you can easily hit on GMAS. Okay, click the GMAS button instead of send. An individual email will be sent to each address. Okay, then we just quickly hit on GMAS. So please wait for GMAS. So as you can see, you did it. GMAS has processed your email and 4 emails have been sent. This account is currently a free account. Please subscribe for email marketing superpowers. For your reference, this is campaign ID blah 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 blah. We have successfully sent out this simple email swipe to 4 different people at the same time. And if you want to be sending unlimited emails just like this, you have to subscribe to the GMAS unlimited plan. So visit the GMAS website. In this video, I actually reviewed how you can actually do that. This particular video, how to send bulk emails for free. I'll be dropping the video link in this particular video description below so that you can equally check it out, how you can subscribe to the GMAS pricing plan if you want to be sending out more bulk emails. And you can do this in literally from your Gmail. So guys, I believe this tutorial gets you right and helps you right and or serves you right. This way I have to quickly wrap up the video. In case you still want to know more about affiliate marketing with email, or you want to know more about email marketing, let's say you didn't get the whole detailed information you are actually expecting in this particular video, drop your comment in the comment section below. I will attend to them as soon as I get them. My name is Daniel Anthony. I teach you how to make money online completely for free. If you still want to learn more, get in touch with me, you can check out my WhatsApp contact line in this video description below. I'm always available on WhatsApp. You can check me out on all of my other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok. I'm always available 24/7. Okay, until we meet again in my next online tutorial video, this one I just have to quickly wrap up this one. I love you all, but for now I have to say bye bye and peace.